with all due respect to you, Congressman Ako. First, so, merong 8 points of contention si General Garcia. Talagang abogado, punto by punto. First, sabi niya, mambabatas ka pero maliwanag na wala kang alam sa batas. Your actions illustrate. Ako, napakabigat na statement ito. By the way, nakasama ko ng halos 2 taon itong si General Virgilio Garcia noong 2014 to 2015. Nung na-assign ako sa Camp Aguinaldo, matalinong general ito at matino. May ibubuga. So, ulitin ko, yung first point niya, mambabatas ka pero maliwanag na wala kang alam sa batas. Your actions illustrate. Second, sabi niya, you say 30,000 lives were lost during the war of... You say according to data. Let me ask you, Honorable Sir, which data are you referring to? Are these verified data? Ang dami naman yung 30,000. Ang alam ko, ang data sa PNP is 6 to 7,000 lang ang alleged na mga biktima ng war. Third, sabi ng Abogadong General, if they are, then why don't you take the cudgels and initiate complaints against former President Duterte? So, challenge na ito. Bakit hindi nyo kasuhan? Sabi naman ni PRRD, file a case. Kung mabulok ako sa kulungan, so be it. Hindi ako takot. I take full legal and moral responsibility on what happened during... Very clear. Bakit hanggang ngayon wala mang naisasampang kaso? Okay, fourth, sabi niya, have you ever heard of the words due process in our democratic institution? President Duterte is entitled to due process too. You know, yun, the right to be heard and the right to present evidence in his behalf, sir. Kaya, Honorable Congressman Acop, sir, kung may ebidensya ka tulad ng inilalathala mo, idemanda mo siya, Honorable Sir, para si President Digong. Mapansin niya, very respectful pa itong ulit-ulit yung Honorable Sir. Kasi mas senior si Congressman Acop, class 70 ata sa PMA. Kaya lang, malalaman itong sinasabi ni General Garcia. So, dapat kasuhan. Fifth, your hearings in the Quadcom were clearly a fishing expedition. Kasi, you claim you uncovered evidence against President Duterte in the course of your hearings. Let us see if the evidence that you claim you discovered can stand in court. Yung sinasabi ni Congressman Acop na mga testigo nila, I don't know kung anong credibility nila sa harapan ng isang judge. Kasi yung mga testigo nila, dalawang mga dating opisyal ng gobyerno, Jimmy Guban, intelligence officer ng customs na nasibak at ngayon nasintensya nakakulong sa pinagbagamot. Yung Mark Taguba, ganun din. Fixer sa customs, bago lang nasintensya, nakakulong din ngayon. Yung Colonel Asierto na police colonel na nag-akusa kay PRRD, maraming kaso, may warrant of arrest at nagtatago. Sino pa? Ex-Senator De Lima, Kerwin Espinosa. Ang dami nilang testigo na akala nila malalakas na testigo. But ito nga yung challenge ni trial lawyer ito, si General Garcia. Experienced trial lawyer. Let me see if your evidences will stand in court. he is speaking from experience dahil trial lawyer ito. Okay, puro kayo publicity, sabi niya. It's time for action, Honorable Sir. 6, you claim you have heard from families of yung mga biktima ko no ng alleged. But sabi ni General Garcia, have you heard also from the... So, sabi niya, one-sided kayo. My question to you, Honorable Sir, is this. Hindi ka ba one-sided? Wala akong matandaanan na in-invite nilang resource person na yung pamilya man lang ng mga biktima ng mga... And then, 7th, you say 30,000 were lost during the war of... Did you also take count of how many innocent lives were taken by... How many, sir? Do you have a figure? Do you at least have the idea how many, sir? Ay talagang maraming biktima ng mga masasakit na panahon ng... Maraming nagpasalamat kay PRRD dahil tumahimik ang lugar. Ngayon, bumalik na. 8, it might not have occurred to you, sir, na matutuwa ang mga elemento sa iyo niyan, sir. Gets mo, sir? Gets mo? Medyo ano na yun. May pagka-sarcastic na yun. And lastly, Honorable Sir, your Quadcom hearings were all held with grave of discretion. And the exercise of your contempt power were without and or in excess of jurisdiction. Tama po yun, Police Major, na dinala kayo sa Korte Suprema to question your whims and caprice. Meron pa kayong ganang magalit sa kanya for exercising his rights. Ito si Police Major Laraga. Dumulog siya sa Supreme Court. Nagreklamo. Kasi sinight in contempt siya. Tapos pinagalitan siya ng mga ano. Anyway, salamat General Garcia, sir, sa pagpapayag yun ng inyong opinion. Sana makaabot o mabasa, marinig ni General Congressman Attorney Acop ang inyong opinion.